There she is.
Where?
Right here, the wagon. This is the new Wagon Queen Family Truckster. This is a damn fine automobile, if you want my honest opinion. Beats the hell out of the sports wagon. If you're thinking of taking the tribe cross country, this is the automobile you should be using, the Wagon Queen Family Truckster.
That just brings us to the index of Effluency, and it went to Speedycop. This time he did the completely nut and bolt accurate replica of the Wagon Queen Family Truckster from National Lampoon's Vacation.
Now, mind you, a lot of people have done family trucksters. I mean, we've seen dozens of them, and they have all sucked. I will paint the car green, and I will strap a piece of Samsonite on the top. Har har, it is a family truckster. That is not a family truckster.
This is the Family Truckster.